Alright, today I have Clinique eye cream. And it says right here that this is all about eyes rich. It reduces circles and puffs. So this is Clinique eye cream right here. I'm going to be reviewing this and telling you about my experience about using Clinique. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And if you look inside, you'll see that it's a nice cream. Not ice cream, but a nice cream. Do you get it? Not nice cream, but not ice cream, but nice cream. Maybe you don't know funny. But either way, this cream is nice and thick. Just going to go ahead and put my dirty fingers in here. But when you're doing it, use clean fingers. But before I go on, it's important to note that this is allergy tested, fragrance free, ophthalmologist tested. Okay. So I'm going to take some of this and apply it, this eye cream. Do not get in eyes. I'm going to apply it below my eyes. And it smells really nice. I think that's the most important thing about it. It smells nice. I'm applying this, and because I don't have a mirror, I don't know if my eyes aren't puffy anymore, but it feels that my eyes are less puffy now that I've applied this to my eyes, around my eyes, not in my eyes, but around my eyes. I feel like they're less puffy, and I don't know if it's because of the placebo effect or my eyes are actually less puffy. Okay, not like the wrapper, but I feel like they're less puffy. If I were you, I'd read the instructions for this particular product before using this and abide by it, because I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to be doing besides making my eyes look less puffy, not like the wrapper. But this is Clinique, all about eyes, eye cream that is supposed to reduce circles, puffs, not the wrapper. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.